In last session, we had discussed about the solid state. There are the three states of matter: the solid, the liquid, and gases. The solid are classified into the crystalline solid and the amorphous solid. So we have to focus on the crystalline solid. So this unit cell we have going to discuss here is it is the concept of the crystalline solid. So what is the meaning of that one? So simple one. समजा आपल्याकडे एक क्यूबॉइड आहे, आपण खेळण्यामध्ये जो क्यूबॉइड वापरतो बघा, त्याचा आकार हा क्यूब प्रमाणे असतो आणि त्याला प्रत्येक ठिकाणी कुठे रेड रंग, कुठे ब्ल्यू रंग, कोणत्या ठिकाणी येलो रंग, अशा प्रकारचे वेगवेगळी अरेंजमेंट असते. तर त्याच्यामध्ये एक छोटासा एक क्यूब असतो, तुम्ही बघितलं असेल. तर तो छोटासा एक क्यूब त्या क्यूबॉइड मधला, त्याला आपण या ठिकाणी युनिट सेल असं समजू. समजा आपल्याकडे एक ठोकळा आहे, त्या ठोकळ्यामधला एक छोटासा स्मॉल पार्ट, एकदम स्मॉल रिपीटिंग युनिट, द स्मॉलेस्ट रिपीटिंग युनिट ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड आर नोन ॲज द युनिट सेल. जेवढे कॅरेक्टर त्या सॉलिड क्रिस्टलाइन मध्ये असतील तेवढेच सर्व कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हे त्या युनिट सेल मध्ये असणार आहेत. सो वी कॅन से दॅट when the unit cells stack together to generate the crystal, each unit cell shares their faces, their edges and their corners. ज्याप्रमाणे एखाद्या क्रिस्टल युनिटला, क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिडला जेवढे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स असतील तेवढेच कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक हे त्या युनिट सेलला असणार आहेत. युनिट सेल मध्ये असं असणार आहे जो एकदम मायक्रोस्कोपिक असणार आहे. इथे लक्षात, unit cell is a microscopic. Okay, so it has corners, it has faces, it has edges. So all characteristics are fundamental characteristics of all crystalline solid crystal is going to be in that crystal cell. So unit cell is defined as it is smallest repeating, okay, smallest repeating structural unit. So we can define here, it is the smallest repeating the structural unit of a crystalline solid. So it has a faces, it has a edges, it has a corners. Okay, all the property exhibited by the crystalline solid is also exhibited by the unit cell. So unit cell having the edges and the angles which can be explained here. So this unit cell having the dimensions. So we can show here the dimensions of the unit cell, and it can be denoted by along three axes A, B and C, and the angle between. Looking here, the angle, we can say there are the axis, this is the one, this is second and this is the third one. So these are the A, it is B and it is the C. So angle between B and C is alpha, the angle between C and A is beta, the angle between A and B is known as the gamma. So we can say that this unit cell having the dimensions, also it is known as the parameters. The A, B, C are the edges of that unit cell, while the alpha, beta and gamma shows the angle between the faces. So unit cells are classified according to presence of particles at the positions. So there are the mainly two types of unit cells. The first unit cell is named as primitive unit cell, and another one is a non-primitive unit cell. This primitive unit cell also known as simple unit cell. In a primitive unit cell or simple unit cell, the atoms, that is the particles, are present at only the corners. So here is it. How many corners in unit cell? There is 8 corners. So here is a presence at only the corners. In a non-primitive unit cell, there are the three types of classification. We are going to explain here. The first classification is known as, that is a face-centered unit cell. The next one is a body-centered unit cell, and the last one is a base-centered unit cell. In this face center, the constituent particle present corners as well as center of each face. पार्टिकल्स हे कॉर्नरला तर असतीलच, परंतु हा जो फेस आहे या प्रत्येक फेसच्या सेंटरला असतील. इन बॉडी सेंटर्ड युनिट सेल, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट ॲट सेंटर ऑफ बॉडी प्लस कॉर्नर्स. ओके. इन base centered, the presence of constituent particle at the base of opposite faces, okay, plus present at the corners. This is the main difference when we are going to classification of unit cell. One is a primitive, another is a non-primitive. In primitive, the constituent particles present at the corners, while in a face center, the constituent particle presents at the corners as well as the center of each face. While in a body center, the lattice point present at the center of the body as well as corners. While in a base center, they are present at the opposite position, also at the position of the corners. We have to explain here now with the diagrams. So we have know that there are the two types of unit cell. One is the primitive and another is a non-primitive. Primitive means the constituent particles present at only the corners. Looking here, the points are present at the corners. Here is also points are present at the corners, but one point in the body. Here is a presence of constituent particles at the corners as well as the faces. The presence of constituent particles corners as well as opposite faces. Means we can say that these all unit cells are corner points, so all are primitive. But exactly these 1, 2 and 3, there is a presence of another location, so these are the non-primitive. So we can say that this is the primitive unit cell, that is known as simple cube. It is always denoted by SC. Okay. Looking on three examples, what are here? The corner points as well as the center point. So it is known as BCC, body centered crystal structure. In this example, what going on? The atoms are present, the particles are present at the corners as well as the center of each faces, so known as FCC, face centered crystal. Okay. So the last one, there is the points are present at the corners as well as opposite faces. So it is known as base centered unit cell. The primitive, these all 1, 2, 3 are, these are non-primitive unit cell. तुमच्या लक्षात असू द्या की पॉइंट्स कुठे अरेंजमेंट आहे, सर्व कॉर्नर्सला आहे, पण नॉन प्रिमिटिव्ह मध्ये बॉडीच्या सेंटर मध्ये आहे, प्रत्येक फेजच्या सेंटर मध्ये पॉइंट आहे आणि बेस सेंटर मध्ये अपोजिट पोझिशनला आहे. दीज आर द क्लासिफिकेशन्स ऑफ युनिट सेल. सो वी हॅव टू नाउ अंडरस्टँड हियर व्हॉट इज द क्रिस्टल सिस्टम. Simply, the crystal system is a arrangement of lattice point. How the constituent particles are arranged, we have explained here. There is arrangement should be primitive and the non-primitive. So these are crystal units. These are unit cell having the edges A, B, C, and having the another parameters. There is angles, the alpha, beta, and the gamma. Where we are going to changes that angles. Then how many possibilities to arrangement of these lattice point in the crystal system? So generally, the lattice point arranged in a crystal system by 14 ways. How many ways? The 14 ways. That 14 ways are well explained by the Bravais. The name of the scientist is the Bravais. So how many times we can arrange the lattice point? The 14 ways. Now how many unit cells are there exist? When we are going to arrange this one, there is a 7 crystal unit systems. How many? The 7 crystal unit cells. There is arrangement by the 7 types. Another is a tetragonal. The third one is a orthogonal. Next one is a rhombohedron. The fifth one, monoclinic. The sixth one, triclinic. And the seventh is, and the last one, that is a hexagonal system. So how many types of unit cells are exist? So generally there are the only 7 crystal unit cells: the cubic, the tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedron, the monoclinic, the triclinic, and the hexagonal. When we are going to arrange these all the 7 crystal units according to the primitive and non-primitive, there is a 14 ways. How many ways? The 14 ways, and that 14 ways is known as the Bravais lattice. How many types of arrangement? The 14 types. And how many unit cells are there? The 7 is about the 7 unit cell, the 7 fundamental crystal unit cell. So there is a arrangement of these 7 type crystal unit into 14 ways, which is known as the Bravais lattice. Now here is we can explain the one by one the fundamental crystal units. So listen here. The first one is in last session we have discussed on that word cubic system. So cube has a structure. The length and breadth and height are same. Means A is equal to B is equal to C. लांबी, रुंदी आणि उंची तिन्ही गोष्टी याच्या सारख्या असतात. In that condition, when we are going to arrange the lattice point into that unit cell, it has a simple cube that is known as the primitive unit cell. Primitive. So what is the meaning of primitive? The lattice point present at the only corners. In body centered, the lattice point present at the corners as well as complete point in the body of the unit cell. In FCC, the lattice point present corners as well as center of each face. That is known as the face-centered cube. Okay. The second one is the orthorhombic. The orthorhombic unit cell exists in 4 different parts. It is a simple, and the another one is known as primitive. What is the meaning of that one? याचा अर्थ असा आहे की लॅटाइस पॉइंट हा कॉर्नरला प्रेझेंट आहे. त्यानंतर बीसीसी आहे, एफसीसी आहे आणि बेस सेंटर आहे. बीसीसी म्हणजे काय होतो? एक लॅटाइस पॉइंट हा बॉडीच्या सेंटर मध्ये असतो आणि बाकीचे पॉइंट हे कॉर्नरला असतात. In next session in FCC, the lattice point is present of center of each face. Okay, and the remaining at the corners. In a base center, the lattice point present at the corners as well as the opposite faces. Okay, now look at it. This is structure. It having the 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Here is a 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Okay, so lattice point present at the corners, that is the primitive. If lattice present at the faces, then there is a face center. If lattice present in the box, समजा बॉक्सच्या चारही साइडला, 6ही साइडला अटॅचमेंट असेल, त्याला आपण काय म्हणायचं? बॉडी सेंटर्ड असं म्हणायचं. आणि फेस म्हणजे इथे एक पॉइंट आणि इथे एक पॉइंट, समोरासमोर पॉइंट राहणार नाही. दॅट इज नोन ॲज द देयर इज ए फेस सेंटर. द टेट्रागोनल एक्झिस्ट इन टू primitive and also only the body center, that is BCC. The monoclinic unit cell exists in two different forms. One is the simplest and another is a base center. While the rhombohedral, the triclinic and the hexagonal only exist in a primitive unit cell, means lattice point present only at the corners. So how many systems are here? The 7 fundamental crystal unit cells. How many types we can arrange? 14 ways. Looking here, there is 14. The 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, okay, then 9, then 11, 12. Looking here, one more time. The 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8 and 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13 and the 14. How many ways we can arrange? By 14 ways we can arrange, and that 14 ways is known as the Bravais lattice. Now we are going to explain the cubic crystal. The cubic crystal exists in only 3 forms: the primitive and the non-primitive. The non-primitive are BCC and the FCC. Now we can going to calculate number of atoms, number of particles present in a cubic. How to explain here cubic system? So cubic system having speciality, the edges having the same length. The edges A, B, C are the same. Okay, if it is A, it is B and C. A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay, that a cubic system can be arranged by the 3 ways. Okay, the number 1, that is known as a simple cube. Okay, that is known as the SC. That is also known as a primitive. Okay, the second one is a, we can say here, the body centered cubic. Okay, that is known as BCC. The third one is face centered cubic, that is known as FCC. So these two are known as non-primitive. Okay, in simple cube, the points are present at the only corners. Okay, in a body centered, there is a corner plus 1 point in the body, while in a face centered, the points present at the corners plus center of each face. So cubic system can be classified into 2: the primitive cell and the non-primitive cell. The simple cube is the primitive, the body centered cube and the face centered cube is known as the non-primitive unit cell. Now we are going to calculate how many particles present in a simple cube, the body centered cube and the face centered cube in the cubic crystal. Even a crystal unit system, we have to explain the cubic crystal. The cubic crystal system exists in 3 different forms. One is a primitive or a simple cubic unit cell. The another one is a non-primitive unit cell, that is the body centered and the face centered. In primitive unit cell, the lattice points are present at only the corners. Looking here, if there is a cube, the cube having a structure, the length, breadth and height are same. So lattice point present at the corners. How many corners are there? 8 corners. So 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we are going to consider these lattice point. So these lattice point is a part of unit cell which is attached to another 7 unit cells. Okay. So this portion is the part of only 1 unit cell and remaining are attached to that point is how many unit cells? the 7 unit cell. So other 7 unit cell and it's 1. So there is a 8. So contribution we can calculate here. So how many corners are there? It has 8 corners. Okay, and contribution is 1 by 8 contribution. How many corners? The 8 corners. So 8 get cancelled out. So there is a presence of only 1 atom. The primitive unit cell or cubic unit cell has 8 points at the corners, and each corners contribute 1 by 8 position. So there is a how many atoms are present? So 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, each and every corners. So there is a calculation going to be, and there is a presence of only 1 atom. म्हणजे कोणतेही सिंपल किंवा प्रिमिटिव्ह युनिट सेल असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी 8 कॉर्नर्सला जरी 8 पॉइंट असले तरी त्याचं कंट्रीब्युशन किती असते? 1 बाय 8 असते. म्हणून त्या टोटल युनिट सेल मध्ये क्यूबिकच्या टोटल युनिट सेल मध्ये किती आयटम्स राहतील? फक्त 1 आयटम्स राहतील. सो नेक्स्ट इज अ बॉडी सेंटर्ड cubic unit cell. So looking here, the points at the how many corners? The 8 corners. So here is 1 point. Okay. So corners point calculated as 1 by 8 contribution. How many points? The 8 points. So there is how many items? The 1 item. So simply the primitive unit cell having the 1 point. So body centered and face centered also having the corner point, so it having the also 1 point, and it having the also 1 atom. Now we have focus on this one, so that's why we have going to calculate here. Now listen here, the 1 point is at the complete body. समजा अशा प्रकारचं असेल. ओके, याच्या कंप्लीट आतमधल्या बॉडी मध्ये काय असेल? एक पॉइंट असेल आणि तो कोणासोबत कंट्रीब्युशन करणार नाही. बॉडी संख्या असल्यामुळे पुन्हा किती आयटम होईल? 1 आयटम. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 by 8 into 8, 1 atom, and it is the 1 atom. So how many atoms are there? 2 atoms. So in a primitive unit cell, how many atoms? The 1 atom. While in a body centered, how many atoms? The 2 atoms. Now we have to calculate. The C is face centered cubic unit cell. So look at on the blackboard. The 8 points present at the corner. Imagine that is the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upper and 4 lower. How many? 8 corners. So points present at the 8 corners. That is the 8 items. And each corners contribute 1 by 8 position. So there is a 1 item. We had earlier discussed on in a simple cube and the body centered cube. Now listen here. The remaining point in a face center, 1 point in this position, the second point this position. Okay, center of each face. How many faces are there? 6 faces, and each face contribute 1 by 2 position. Look at here. Here is another unit cell connected here, and we have cut here. So out of one item on this position and another item on another position. So there is a 1 by 2. That is half into 6. There is a 3 items. So 1 item plus 3 items. There is a 4 items. Now looking here. In a primitive, there is a 1 item. In a body center, there is a 2 item. In a face center, there is a 4 items. When the number of atom increases, the empty space or void space going to be decreased. So in a primitive unit cell, there is a maximum void space, maximum void or empty space. In a base body center, there is a 2 items. So what is occupying position is more, so empty space is less. In a FCC, there is a 4 items, so empty space is a very minimum in a base center, while these items occupied space is a more. So in this way we have explained the calculation of number of atoms present in a crystal unit, cubic unit cell. The simple cube, the body centered cube, and the face centered cube.